In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed fonts in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're preparing a document for professional printing or just want to ensure your fonts display correctly across devices, embedding fonts is an essential step that can make all the difference in maintaining your document's integrity. Let's start by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have your document open, head over to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Print. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're not actually printing the document, but trust me, it's an important step for embedding fonts. Now, in the printer dialog box that appears, you'll want to select Adobe PDF as your printer. This choice is crucial as it leads us to the options needed to embed your fonts. With Adobe PDF selected, look for the Properties button, sometimes labeled as Printer Properties depending on your setup, and give that a click. Once you're in the Properties menu, navigate your way to the Adobe PDF Settings tab. You're almost there. Here, you'll see an option labeled Default Settings with an Edit button beside it. Click on Edit. This action will open up a new window featuring various categories on the left side. From these options, select Fonts. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the Fonts section, you'll notice a box labeled Embed All Fonts. Make sure this box is checked. By checking this, you're telling Adobe Acrobat to include all the fonts used in your document within the PDF file itself. This step ensures that regardless of the software or device used to open your PDF, your fonts will remain consistent and appear exactly as you intended. After you've checked the box to embed all fonts, you can go ahead and click OK to confirm your settings. This will take you back to the previous dialog box. From here, you can click Print to create a new version of your PDF with the fonts embedded. Remember, this process doesn't actually print your document. Instead, it saves a new PDF file where your fonts are securely embedded. And that's it. You've successfully embedded fonts in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure that your document maintains its original look and feel no matter where or how it's viewed. Remember, embedding fonts is particularly useful if you're sharing your PDF with others or if it's going to be printed professionally. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of embedding fonts in your PDFs a breeze. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Until next time, happy PDF editing.